Alright, well, hey, welcome back. We've got the Honda Express SR. Going to do a quick, is that leaking gas again? I tell you what. We're leaking gas again. I guess the carburetor needs cleaned. But, let's see if we can get this sucker to start up. We've done a bit of work on it, and as I said before, the neighbors probably aren't going to like it much. Yeah, she's kind of loud. That's a little better. Darn thing leaking gas. I'll show you the exhaust. Yeah, I think she's going to move pretty good. Luckily I didn't put much gas in it. Not sure why she's smoking so much. Is it rich? Alright, well, I'm sure the neighbors are happy that's ended. We'll have to take it for a ride.